is the street in front of my house. All white.
Bye bye, Papa.
My car. Oui. Regarde mes mains comme ça. 1, 2, 3. Segini. Lihat nih sedalam ini. Aduh. Tuh. Sedalam itu. See that snow? Okay. This is the snow that they've been cleaning from the street. They move it here and is as high as the car. You see? That's the bushes in front of our house. That's our window on the basement. That's our Christmas tree. This is our backyard. Kayu-kayu di belakang rumah. The snow as high as the window in the basement. That's our bench. Jalan susah, Mak. Oh my God. Oh no, that's my rotten ball. Hello. Oh no.
Is super heavy and super compact, full of water.
We're making the ice rink at our neighbor's house. Oh my God, this is winter wonderland.
Come back later.
Oh my God! This place is so huge. The guy behind this winter wonderland.
Yes.
Good job.